Well, that's the garden complete now. Got some potatoes in there. And there's 3 different varieties. Oh yeah, some ferns and things and other stuff. So over a busy time. One of my favourite plants. Great for the bees. More ferns and some other thing I got like 3 years ago. I have no idea what it is. Greenhouse is kind of full at the moment. A few wee things here. This is some mint and some other things. Curry leaf, damson, slowberry, trumpet vine, which always has bees on it. Don't know if you can see that one. He's somewhere in there. And we've got 3 different varieties in here that come to visit every day. And up the back, here, my little steps. Oh, and up here we've got tayberries, blackberries, tinkleberries. 1, 2, 3, 5 different varieties of tomato. There you go. Potatoes at the end, that's for the competition, whenever it gets drawn. Just a second. Of course the Barbie, undercover. And some other bits and pieces, and then finally the polytunnel, which is now finished. I'm well happy with it. With its removable ends and things, so there's quite a few plants in there. Quite a few are got fruits on them and things. So yeah, it's come along well. It's taken 3 months, but it's been absolutely brilliant doing it. Hope you enjoyed it. Cheers, bye.